In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Premium AI on LinkedIn in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or simply looking to optimize your profile with AI assistance, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to make the most of this powerful tool. To get started, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to log into your account. You have the option to sign in using either your Google or Microsoft accounts, or you can enter your email address and password. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might ask you to verify your account by sending a code to your phone number. This is a security step to ensure the protection of your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click on it, and then select View Profile from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your LinkedIn profile page, where you can manage and edit your personal information. On your profile, you'll notice a pencil icon next to areas that can be edited. Click on the pencil icon to enter the editing mode. As you scroll down, you'll come across the headline section, which is crucial in defining your professional brand and making a strong first impression. Here, you'll see an option that says Write with AI. Click on this to activate LinkedIn's AI feature. What happens next is that the AI will analyze your current profile details and skills to suggest new headlines that could better capture your professional identity. This is a great opportunity to experiment with different headlines, especially if you're not sure how to best summarize your professional expertise and ambitions. Take your time to review the AI-generated suggestions carefully. While AI can be helpful, remember that its suggestions may not be perfect. Feel free to adjust them to better suit your style and objectives. Once you're happy with a headline, you can click Save to update your profile. However, if you prefer to keep the original or try something different, you can select Revert to discard the changes. It's important to note that this particular AI feature is available only to LinkedIn Premium users. So if you don't see these options, it might be because your account is currently set to the basic level. Upgrading to Premium can unlock many useful features like this one that enhance your LinkedIn experience, and there you have it, everything you need to know to effectively use Premium AI on LinkedIn to update your profile. Thanks for watching and happy networking.